Okay, number 10, we're going to match each graph with its function, with its graph. Let's look at the first one here. Okay, so to find the x-intercepts, we just have to set this equal to 0 because those are the zeros. And now we can solve. So if it would be x is equal to -5, right? -5 plus 5 will make 0. And x is equal to -3. So those are the x-intercepts that we're looking for, okay? So let's see which one that matches up with. -2, -4, ooh, that looks like a good one. Oh, but that's not at -3. So let's see. Which one else? Here, -5. -5, -3. Nope, -5 and -3. Perfect, it's this one. Okay, so it would be this one right here. Y is equal to x plus 5 and x plus 3, right? So that's good. And then the next one, let's find the zeros. So this is going to be equal to 0. So x is going to be equal to -5 and x is going to be equal to 3. Let's look for that one. Okay. -5 and -3 and +3. -5 and +3. -5, nope, and +3. -5 and +3. Oh, it would be this one. Y is equal to x plus 5, parentheses x minus 3. Okay. Because right here, this is x is equal to -5, and right here, this is x is equal to +3. Next, this is x. Again, we set this equal to 0. X is equal to 5, and x is equal to -3. All right. So +5 and -3. +5, no, for 5 and -3. Oh, it would be this one. Y is equal to x minus 5 and x plus 3. Next one, make this green. Okay, set this equal to 0. So x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 3. Let's see, 5 and 3. 3, 5. Perfect right here. X is equal to 3 and x is equal to 5 here. So this one, it is y is equal to x minus 5 and x minus 3. Next one, make this purple. Set this equal to 0. X is equal to -5 and -5 and x is equal to 5. Which one would that be? Let's see, this one? Nope. This one? X is equal to 5, and right here, x is equal to -5. Yep, so it would be this one. Y is equal to parentheses x plus 5, and x minus 5. And then the last one, let's make this pink. 0 is equal, right? Make this a 0. So x is equal to -3 and x is equal to 3. Where is that one? It would be this one. Okay, x is equal to 3 here and x is equal to -3 here. So this one would be y is equal to x plus 3 and x minus 3. Right, so there you go. You match all the function with its graph in intercept form.